Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and let me show you how to bypass Google verification on the following device. So in that video, let me show you how to remove the factory reset protection, how to activate this device with the Google log. And in that video, I will show you the method with the nano SIM card. And what's really important, you should be aware that you will destroy the nano SIM card by inputting the wrong pin and the wrong PUC number a few times. So let me show you how to do it. At the very beginning, let's start by using the following view. Here we need to insert the SIM card that will be destroyed. So let me do it. Let's just open the following slot right here. All right. Here let me insert the nano SIM card. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. And let me insert this card. Alright. As you can see, now you need to enter the pin. So let's just enter the wrong pin. Let me enter 4 zeros, tap OK. Let's enter wrong pin again. One more time the wrong pin. Alright, SIM card is locked. Now you have to enter the security PUC number, the security pin number. So you should have this number with your card. And in that case, let me just show you how to permanently lock the device, lock the card. So let's just enter the wrong number. It should has 8 numbers, so let me just count it. All right. Now let's enter the SIM. Again. As you can see, if you enter incorrect PUC number 9 more times, SIM will be locked, so that's what we need. Let's keep inputting the wrong SIM and the wrong PUC number. Maybe it will be easier to enter in that way. Four times left. And the last attempt. Alright, as you can see, the following screen pops up, so that's what we need. Let's enter this lock right here, this lock icon, and here let's tap notification settings. Alright, so that's what we need. From the following view, you need to choose the see all right here. Choose most recent and choose all. Alright, from the following list of apps, let's choose YouTube. Here we have YouTube, let's tap it. Choose in-app notification settings. And right now let's choose About. Select Google Privacy Policy. Tap Accept and Continue and choose No Thanks. Alright, now let's enter the following website, HardReset.Info. Use the download right here. And let me use the Apex launcher. So let me enter Apex. Tap search. Tap download. Tap download again. Choose continue. Allow Chrome to access photos, media, etc. Tap OK right here. Tap open here. Tap settings. Allow from this source. Let's go back. Choose install. Tap open. And as you can see, you can use the home screen of Galaxy Note 10. Let's use the apps icon, choose settings, choose accounts and backup, tap accounts, and let's make sure that you've got auto sync data enabled. Now let's go back. Here let's find Chrome. Let me go back again, and here let's enter the bypass FRP app. You can enter Android 8 phrase and you should find this app right here, Google Account Protection Bypass. Tap download. Let's scroll down and select download one more time. Tap OK. Choose open. Tap install. Tap open again. Now let's use Google Account Manager right here. For version 6.0, tap settings, let's allow from this source, let's go back, tap install, choose done. Now tap bypass FRP, browser sign in, use more key right here, browser sign in again, tap OK, and now we need to sign in into some Google account. It could be any Google account, even the new one, just the Google account that you know the email and password. So let me do it. Tap next. It's time to enter the password. Alright, choose here sign in. That's it, the following visual pops up. Now let's press power key. Sorry, you need to press power key and volume down together. Choose restart, tap restart again. Alright, now let's choose next, tap next again, choose next one more time. Let's skip this for now, tap next again, next one more time. You are connected to some Wi-Fi, the phone is checking for updates. And that's it, the following visual pops up, account added, so the account that you had previously is added to your device, that's what we need, tap next. Choose don't restore. Next, not now, skip anyway. Tap next, more and accept. Tap OK. The phone is adding some finishing touches, this may take a few minutes, let's just wait. Here you can get some recommended apps. Let me skip Samsung account twice. Tap finish. The home screen pops up. Now let me choose settings. Here let's choose about phone, and as you can see here I can check out my Android version, it's 9, and the security patch level is from the July. And now let me perform the hard reset, because now it's really good to perform the factory reset from menu to fully erase all information from the device. As you can see here, there is your Google account that you add in the process, and it will be good to erase everything by using the factory reset option. Let's choose general management, tab reset, and select factory data reset, tab reset, and choose delete all. Let's wait until the operation will be completed. Alright, the welcome panel pops up. Let me choose my language, so the English. Tab OK, and let me quickly activate the device. Let me agree to license, tap next. Let me skip bringing all data, skip choosing the Wi-Fi. Tap next to date and time. Tap accept, accept. Choose not now, skip anyway. Skip the Samsung account. Tap finish. And that's it, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.